interesting. Okay, anything interesting, just put in here. We'll talk about it later if it's a good price. If you want to hold it, I can help hold it. Oh, I saw this on that ad, the pink. You want to see the pink ceiling? What is that? Oh, an Avon pin, probably. Yeah. Snoopy flag. There's some wolf stuff. I don't know if you like that though.
This is pretty.
Yeah, diamond painting. Somebody made that. Gideon's Bible. Race car Snoopy. It's a little dirty. Here's the New Testament Bible. Shirley Temple doll. And Dopey? Do you want Dopey?
No.
Why? It's Dopey. Oh, this one's cool.
Do you want an Elvis bottle?
Still cries. It still cries. Oh my gosh. I think I might want this doll. I don't know yet. Her sock booty's falling off. Oops. She's just kicked her booties off, just like babies do.
It's Pepsi.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's two.
I don't know if I want that, but
I want it.
here, I'm putting the doll in here. Let's just put it down and make it her.
Can I have the Presley Pepsi?
Yeah? Wait, how much is it?
I don't know. She doesn't have a sticker on it.
I always end up like gravitating toward like the kind of creepier dolls too. This one is a cute one. Look at the old baby bottle. Uh-oh.
Okay, cool.
She's really heavy doll. Nice $10 dolls.
Sale. All right.
Interesting.
Okay.
Bottle too.
What's that say in the back of her head? LA County Fair. What? This is like a local doll. I'm like grabbing her by the head. 1987. She's cute though. See, this one lost her booty too. Oh. Oops.
It's an interesting cook.
What is this one? A puppet doll? Okay, it's kind of creepy. Is it a puppet doll or just like a little... What the heck is this? Is Is it a puppet? Here, put it on, use it.
I think it's a puppet.
It's a puppet.
It is a puppet.
Let me see. It's a sleeping, but it's asleep. Oh my gosh.
Hold on. Alright.
Use that.
It's
There.
there.
Oh, you gotta help the head too. Okay, go.
Where?
What the heck?
Where?
Okay. No. She scares the crap out of me. Does she not, kinda?
She's staring into your soul.
Yeah, I'm not sure I like her. Is this hers? I don't know though. She is kind of cool though. Oh, her hand broke though. Okay, I don't know. I'm sorry, you scare me. She has like a hospital band. Okay, she's moving now. Just kidding. I kind of like the runner. What? What is it?
It's the match girl.
Oh,
You know that story.
yeah. Oh, she's kind of cute.
I think she's
Just-
missing a box. Either that or she's supposed to be.
And well, she sold some, right? Okay, let's oh, careful, the matches fall. Let's put her in here just in case.
You dropped all her matches.
I'm sorry. Thank you. Is she the walker dolls? Let me see. Okay, hold on. Let me see if her legs move. Oh, she sits. I wondered if I have one that walks. Does she walk? Okay, she sits. And her eyes. One, they're supposed to close, they don't really. Kind of creeps me out. This bear. Where's the hand?
She's reading Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, that's cute.
It's a little cowboy bear.
I can't stand cowboy stuff, but look how cute it is. Like someone would like that. What's that say? What's that say on my boot?
It says Andy. No.
Oh, what's it say? Can you see on the camera?
Don't move it.
Mm.
Animal Toys Plus, maybe? It's blocked a little.
Animal toys, something. I don't know. Oh my gosh. This is supposed to be Belle. Oh look, it's the Belle instead of Snoopy. It needs to be cleaned really bad. But see the eyelashes?
Mm-hmm.
It's Belle. What is it? Let me see. Belle. What's the year? 1988? And it has like, oh, you can't tell, but that looks like an official dress. See how you clean that?
Maybe.
Okay, this is a maybe. I have to look at value. Wait, is he missing some of his teeth?
I think he's missing a tooth.
Okay. Or
Maybe. It looks like missing a tooth.
maybe it's not. Maybe it's just one tooth. That is cute though. No.
Easter
The
Snoopy.
only thing is they're kind of dirty. I might John Wayne.
Someone likes John Wayne.
Yeah, there was like I think there's a collection of John Wayne movies here too. Oh, it's Avon. Okay.
I think this Snoopy is missing a nose.
Avon did like everything. What? Is that even Snoopy?
It says Snoopy right there on the tag.
Poor thing.
No nose and no back spot.
These? Oh, it's a puzzle that someone put together. What is this today? Whoa! Oh wait, what is
What are
he?
his teeth?
He like moves or something. Oh, yeah, but does he play with this? I don't know. There's something old there.
Or maybe he was supposed to be a bag.
Wait, what is under here? Oh, a clock. It's an Elvis clock. That's kind of cool. Oh, is that another puppet? Is it? Or is it just like a sitting doll? No, it's a sitting doll. Dang it. It's old though. Oops. So this doesn't have a lot of value, but it is very nice and in the box. And it's cute. If I can get it back in the box. The Hollywood doll. Okay, who is that guy? Doesn't he remind you of like, yeah, Wild West for sure. But he's all like knitted and raggedy. Interesting. What's this guy? Oh wait, right now I see another crochet girl in there. Oh well. Okay, here's the Wild West guy. I just want to help him. Oops. This is, I think, right? He's supposed to be holding its gun. Is this even the right gun? They just put it there. I'm all trying to. Oh wait.
Does it?
What am I holding? It's fake.
Don't look down the barrel.
Okay. Maybe they just added this gun because I don't think. See, it doesn't actually go with him. I think it doesn't go to him. Right? Unless. No, I think they just added a wooden toy gun. Like he's missing his actual gun. I want this. Don't you?
It's cool.
I don't think they want to separate it though. Wait. Okay. He's cool. He probably has some good value, but I don't know. I just like bonked his nose. I don't really know who he is. Who's that? Okay. Alright. Okay, we just spotted lamb chops. Hold on. Oh, and the purple lion you said? Lamb chops.
At least it's a plushie.
With a pacifier? Is that supposed to? It's a baby lamb chops? Oh my gosh. It's a baby lamb chop puppet. That doesn't work really. You can do that.
You can do the Kermit face.
Oh, you can do that. Sorry, I'm just playing with it. What is the purple? I'm pulling his toes. Who the heck are you? Oh, the brave lion?
But he wasn't purple, was he?
No. What's that say?
Acme.
Okay. Those I don't think have much value, so I'm leaving those. What is this? That's kind of cool, maybe. I'll have to look at these. Diamond art. Let's see. Some of the little figurines might be cute.
Look at this.
This is adorable. There's only one.
Denim rice keys and coins.
What? Somebody made that.
Yeah, look at it's denim at the bottom.
Because, what? Oh, it's for a coin holder, and then you have to break it? What's the year on the quarter?
1965? Is it 7 or 5? I think that's 5. Yeah. Is it square bank?
Wow, somebody did a lot of work on this.
No.
Oh. Okay. You can have a good savings because of you. Just kidding. Actually, the beagles are cute. What does that say? What's it say?
Made in Taiwan, I think. Well, this bunny has a...
Right? There's 3.
Oh.
Yeah. I think I want those ones. They want like $3 for each one? Or all 3? They want $3 for each one. No, I don't want to do that. No. Okay. What, do they want 3 for these 2? I don't want to spend 3 each.
Bear in a tuxedo?
No.
Oh,
No. Happy being me. Yellow Cab Company taxi. This one's okay. That's a cute one. You sure you
I
want
think I want the giant nose bunny.
this one? Let me see these prints. This is actually a nice turkey platter. Made in USA. This is a nice turkey platter because it's smaller and pretty, and it really needs a cleaning. I could clean
Is it safe to eat off of?
it. Did paint come off his face though, or is it supposed to look like that? I kind of like that. Okay, I don't want to spend 5 on that. Is this a penny bank? Goldilocks? I don't know. You want some thread? Someone put mom.
It's cute.
That's kind of cute. That's actually a nice. It's like they made it. Look at the back. That's just some. I don't know.
The mom is in glitter glue.
Yeah, you can remove that. But it's kind of a lot of glue. What is this? Volcanic repeating pistol. Cologne. These are probably Avon, yeah. Avon. Avon. Avon, one of these days, will come back.
This is also Avon.
Oh, I wonder if this works.
The horse's poor head. There.
This needs cleaning. Aw.
It's a little perfume bottle.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. What does this guy do? Here's like a, what is this? What does it say right there? On the dials. I wonder if it works. Is it like a radio? What is that? What is this? I'm really curious. It's missing like the back piece though.
These guys.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Alright, that's done.
This one's broken.
Oh my Lord Almighty. Help me, I'm so scared. I am so scared.
Look. You can see the engine of this one.
Oh. Missing a light. Let's see what else. JR, what is that? Imported from Texas. That is kind of cute. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. What's that? Oh, that's like a coat that's pretty long time. What are these?
Almost dropped.
Oh, hold on, what are these? Who is Pamela the Living Doll? I didn't even hear about Pamela the Living Doll before. Is it? I'll check this. Let me see. This is something. What is that? Look at a little tail.
It's broken, but it's cute.
I'm not perfect, but I'm pretty. That's a man.
It's really cute, but it is broken in the back.
Oh, I feel like I recognize this kind of thing. Yeah, it's at best. It's with a turtle, so it's cute.
That's crazy.
Probably goes with. Let's go with different things. Oh, that goes to that. Who's got the bear? There's little mini dolls.
These are like the tissues and the keychains.
Oh yeah, I think I remember about this. Oh, it's another one of these. I don't know. You're supposed to press the button, see if it works. It's blurry.
What button?
No, right there.
It's not right here. Not here, right here. I don't know. Oh, there's a lot of cassette tapes.
Yeah, it is there.
Smokes.
Yeah, I wonder what those ones go to. What's that? Okay, and that one. long, but see, I wonder what books though. Any of these books go? This one goes to one. Angel.
You want to bring?
There, that one goes.
There's Snoopy.
Does this one go? These do. Yeah, these are the books.
Actually carved it out.
Okay, that shows them. Okay, yeah. What are these from? Interesting. Oops.
It fell right into your bag.
It did.
Yeah. Even is that?
It's a Santa head. I think we used to have one. But... Oh my gosh. Killer John Wayne book.
Dust.
Hmm?
Dust.
Oh, dust on the dust. Alright, so I remember these things. The ornaments. I like these.
I'm recording video.
Is that supposed to be on her head? I don't think so. Is that her?
I don't know.
Are her eyes closed? Oh, maybe she's upside down.
That was her.
It is her. John Wayne, John Wayne. John Wayne. How much are these?
It's a color like new sleeve.
There's all of John Wayne's John Wayne. John Wayne. How many John Waynes are there?
A lot.
So that's no. And then we found these granny squares. And that, which is one of my favorites. Here's some of the haul from the estate sale. Not all of the items are shown here that you probably already saw though in the video. Here's a few things I did get. It was a Night Before Christmas mouse. And this adorable hound dog cowboy plush. And this old koala. And a handmade knitted garland, which says Merry Christmas. Little knitted bells that would hang on the garland. It looks like something that was never used, but made, and someone put a lot of effort into that. I thought that was cool. And here are some of the cassette tape books. And some of the books I did not get a cassette for, or I may have them still in a bag somewhere. So there's a few more books. And a few Snoopy items. And ornaments and some old vintage light bulbs. That's just a few of the things that I got there. It was kind of a fun estate sale. And I think my favorite item was the wooden toy gun that I actually acquired there. It's always fun digging through a sale though and see what you can find. So I was still happy what I got. Thanks so much for watching. Come back soon and see some more of my resale shopping videos.